Hello, friends. Today Lakshmi is with you, and we are going to see how to create blog using Blogger. In order to create a blog using Blogger, what you need first is a Google account. All of you have Gmail account, so you have Google account already. After creating a Google account, you have to go to your Play Store. In Play Store, you have to write Blogger. Then this icon will appear. Here I have already installed Blogger in my mobile, so it is appearing as open. If you haven't installed Blogger, it will ask you to install. After installing, open the Blogger. Then the screen will appear like this. There is no blog found in your account, in your Gmail account, so you have to create one. So click on www.blogger.com. Clicking on this, it will go to the blogger.com. Here our college blog is already there, that's why the screen is appearing like this. So let me switch to another account. Yes, a person who is creating a new blog will appear the screen like this. Here you have to click on the create new blog. Now the screen is like this. Here you have to give a title, an address, and you have to select a theme from this. I am going to give the title first. Here is Malayalam Gboard. It is better to give your title in English. This will help you to search easily. So I am giving it as My Thoughts. My Thoughts. And next step, I have to select an address. I am giving it as mythoughts.blogspot.com. It is checking for the address. Sorry, this blog address is not available, so we have to change it. So I am changing it as mythoughts123.blogspot.com. This address is also not available, so I am again changing it as Thoughts. Hope nobody has taken it. Sorry, this blog address is also not available, so I am giving it as Lakshmi Thoughts 123. This blog address is available. Okay, fine. And there are so many themes are there. You can see Contempo, Soho, Emporio, etc. There are so many themes. You can drag down and see. So many themes are there. You can select whichever theme you like. The Contempo is the most generic one. I won't advise you to take that. We will take some other, because this Contempo is not that much editable and user friendly. So we will select another one. Now I am selecting this symbol. It's creating a blog. Okay, My Thoughts was successfully created. We can try this in our Blogger account. So I'm going back to Blogger. For that, again going back to Blogger and opening. Now we can see My Thoughts, our blog which we have created, is appearing on the screen, but here is no published post. Let us see how to create a post. You can see in the bottom right corner there is an orange circle with a pen. Click on that. This will help you to create the post. You can write your post either in English or Malayalam. I am switching my Gboard to Malayalam handwriting. And first we have to give a title for our post. I am going to type the title here as Ente Anubhavam. The title is given. Next, you can start creating your post by clicking there. In start creating post, I am going to write ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ കോളേജിലെ MOOC കോഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടി. For typing MOOC, again I am switching to English. MOOC. Again going back to Malayalam. MOOC കോഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടി വീഡിയോ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തു. You can see some letters are not there. In order to correct it, I am going back to Malayalam. In this, you can do it. College in a course. Again, Vendi. There is na. Vendi ta. കോഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടി വീഡിയോ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തു. റാ. Just taking time. Okay, record ചെയ്തു. Again we have to post it. So once it's ready, click on this tick mark. Now it is ready to post. എൻ്റെ അനുഭവം ഇന്ന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ കോളേജിലെ MOOC കോഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടി വീഡിയോ റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തു. While clicking on this arrow mark, we can post it. It is asking whether to publish your post. Click on this publish button. It will get published. Now we have published our first post. We can share this post with persons whoever we want to send this message. So we have to click on this share button. This will enable you to share your post in WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail or Messenger, or there are so many means. Even in Google Classroom we can share our post. So I am clicking on WhatsApp and I am sending this message to Sajan sir, my brother, and to my another WhatsApp. So I can send this message to these WhatsApp groups. You can see we have sent that to the WhatsApp groups. So you can share your post with the persons whoever you want to send it. Then if a post is not ready to publish, then what you will do? I have created another post, but it is not ready to publish. It is like pa 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 da 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 da. So I don't want to publish it. So I can, clicking on these 3 dots, you can save it as a draft. When it's ready to post, you can post it. So we have learned two things: how to create a post and publish it, how to create a post and save it as draft. Again, you can do editing. Clicking on your post, you can edit it, that is edit published post. For that you have to click here again, and if here you can add image, photo or link to your post. You can take a photo live, or you can select an image from your gallery or drive or your images in your phone. So now I am going to gallery. From gallery I can select whichever image I want. Here I am going to select an image which I have saved for our next class, that's for Blogger Pro. I am selecting that. Now the photo, the image is there in my post, and I can post it by clicking on this arrow mark, and I can publish it. So far we have learned how to create a Blogger account, how to create a new post, how to edit it, how to save it as a draft. You can view your blog by clicking here. It will help you to know how your blog will appear. Our blog, My Thoughts, will appear like this. This will help you to see your blog. This is about the creation of a blog. Then, if you don't want to keep your blog again, you want to delete it, then how will you delete it? For that, you have to click on your account. Then it will appear it like manage your Google account. Click on that. Then this screen will appear like this. You click on data and personalization. It will give all your activities. In that, you can select things you created. Whatever things you created using your Google account will come here. That is your Gmail, your Google Play, all accounts, all your Gmail activities will come here. It's gathering data. It will take a while. Here you can see the Blogger. That's I am using this account in my 2 Android devices. That's why it is in Android it is appearing like 2 devices. I have a drive, I have Google Play, I have Google Photos in this account. All these things will come here. While clicking on this Blogger, you can go to your Blogger account. Going to your Blogger account, you can see here settings. Clicking on this settings, there are basic settings. So it's again appeared our college blog. So I am going back to our LEC PPT. Okay, taking our settings, you can see other. Clicking on this other, it will ask you whether you have to delete your blog. Click on this delete button. Then it will again ask you whether you want to download the post in your blog. If you want to download the post, you can click on this download blog icon. I don't want to download this blog. I want to delete this blog. So I am clicking again on delete this blog. So it will again ask you whether you want to delete it permanently. I want to delete it permanently, so I am deleting. Again it will ask you whether you want to delete it permanently or you want to keep it. You can keep it for some long time, but I again want to delete it permanently, so I am clicking on permanently delete. So my account is deleted and again it will appear as create a new blog. So this is about creating a blog and deleting the blog. Hope you will create blogs of your own using Blogger account. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you.